The Honorable Board of Examiners, the Honorable my thesis supervisor Ms. Rami Rahmadianti Zain. First, I would to express my gratitude for the opportunity given to me. My name is Muhammad Afrandi Akbar and I'm student of Economics Department by student ID number 2310 5 and 3010. Today, I'm here to present my undergraduate thesis entitled Analysis of Inflation Rate of Food and Food Prices during the month of Ramadan in 2024. My presentation will cover some main topics. They are problem of the research, the methodology of the research, and the finding of the research. Also, the conclusion of the research based on the finding found, and this is my presentation. First, I will talk about introduction. Ramadan, the holy month for Muslims around the world, not only has a deep spiritual dimension, but also has a significant impact on economic aspect, especially related to the price of staples and food. Every year, people pay attention to change in the prices of the staples during the month of Ramadan, which is often the main debate and concern. Analysis of the inflation rate, food and material prices during the month of Ramadan is important understanding the economic dynamic in the period. In 2024, in the context of global uncertainty still affected by the ongoing pandemic, the question of how food and material prices inflation move during the month of Ramadan is becoming increasingly relevant. By understanding the inflation trends, we can identify the economic challenges facing society, as well evaluate the effectiveness of the government policy in maintaining prices stability and the availability of steps during the holy month. In this article, I will conduct an in-depth analysis change in food and material prices during the month of Ramadan in 2024, presenting data, trends, and factors that affected them. The aim is to provide a better understanding of the impact of Ramadan the domestic economy, as well as provide useful insight for readers in planning and managing their budgets during this period. Next, I will talk about result and discussion. Result of analysis of inflation of material and food prices during the month of Ramadan in 2024. First, general inflation trends. During the month of Ramadan in 2024, there will be an increase in inflation food prices in general. The data shows that average inflation during the month of Ramadan increased compared to the previous month and after. 2. Influencing factor. Some of the main factors that affect food and material prices inflation during the month of Ramadan in 2024 include: first, increased demand. During the month of Ramadan, the demand for groceries in particular increased due to increased shopping activities in preparation for iftar and sahur. Next, increased transportation costs. Transportation costs often increase during the month of Ramadan due to the increased mobility of people who travel and together with family and relatives. After that, influence of the weather factor. Extreme weather such as drought or floods can affect the production and distribution of foodstuff, which is turn can lead to the price increase. And 3. Supporting data. Statistical data from the Central Statistic Agency or BPS shows that inflation in the price of staple foods such as rice, sugar, cooking oil, and meat during the month of Ramadan in 2024 increased by 2 to 5% compared to the previous month. After that, price surveys conducted by independent economic research institutes also recorded a significant increase in food prices in the most regions during of the month Ramadan. Next, let's we talk about discussion. The increase in food and material prices, inflation during the month of Ramadan in 2024 provide an overview of market dynamic during this period. Also, there are factors the effect increase in prices. It should be noted by government policy in controlling inflation and maintaining price stability remain important. In addition, awareness of change in price trends during the month of Ramadan is also important for people to be able to plan their budgets more effectively and reduce the economic impact that may arise. In this context, proactive policies measures from the government in monitoring and managing food prices during the month of Ramadan are crucial to ensure the availability and accessibility of steps of all level society. In addition, education and advocacy regarding financial management during the month of Ramadan can also help individuals and families in facing economic challenges that may arise due to price increase. Like, we talk about conclusion. It's likely there will be increase in the prices of material food in the month of Ramadan 2024. These indicators include: first, increased demand. Demand for foodstuff usually spike during the month of Ramadan. After that, BPS data. BPS recorded an increased prices for several staples in March 2024, coinciding with the beginning of Ramadan, compared to February 2024. Polls and prediction. Several institutions predict the inflation in March 2024 will be higher than the previous month, on the which is driven by rising food prices. Although official inflation data is not available, the information above shows that people need to prepare for a possible increase in food and material prices during the month of Ramadan 2024. Here are some tips for dealing with this situation. First, make a budget. Calculate the estimated expenditure on the groceries during the Ramadan and stick to it. After that, buy groceries in bulk. If possible, buy groceries in bulk before prices go up. And after that, look for alternative groceries. Look for cheaper alternative to groceries that are still good quality. Next, cooking at home. Cooking at home can save you money compared to eating out. After that, grow food crops. For those who own land, growing their own food crops can help reduce expenses for buying groceries. And that is my presentation. Thank you for all, and assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.